Charli Lennon, and I am the owner and founder of Lennon Prep, where we prepare, rehearse, entertain, present. At Lennon Prep, we provide professional support for individuals looking to overcome their speech anxiety, enhance presentations, and/or improve their interviewing skills. I went to high school and was able to really soar in joining the speech and debate team. I started loving all things communication and anything that I can do to advocate for others and to help them find their voice. I wanted to be a part of that.
Charli is a gifted public speaker, entertainer, and presenter. And she has the experience in education, coaching, and communication that make her a perfect leader for this organization and its services. She also has the knowledge and belief that communication skills can be practiced and improved by people at any level of comfort and expertise.
So then this love for coaching launched my desire to start my own company, which is Lennon Prep, where I help prepare others to use their voice without fear. Lennon Prep is a company that values your voice, your thoughts, and most importantly, you. Public speaking is the #1 fear in America. But at Lennon Prep, we don't take away the fear. Instead, we give you the skills necessary to ensure that that fear doesn't impede on you achieving your goals.
After working with Charli, I felt prepared. Her skills that she provided me has impacted the way I coach, the way I lead, and the way that I implement strategies. I am so happy that I was able to work with Charli and be able to learn from her.
Oftentimes you'll hear that people have great ideas, dreams, desires, and they are afraid to share them. They're afraid to speak out. And so Lennon Prep will really help those feel empowered to do that, meaning that they have the confidence, they have the skills needed to do so. Do you have an upcoming interview that you are excited about and really want to excel in? Or are you planning to launch a business and you need the skills necessary to be able to network with others and to really advocate for your company? Working with Lennon Prep, you're working with family. We are laid back, we are fun, and we believe in you. So your experience will feel as though you're talking with a friend and you're working with someone who really cares about your goals and helping you achieve them.
Immediately after working with Lennon Prep, I landed the job as a speech and debate coach at a high school in the Houston area. That was first and foremost, but the skills and the strategies that Charli helped me with go well beyond that. I mean, there's so much that goes into breaking in a new industry, and so much of that is unspoken, right? There are some things that are intangible, but some things there's like a hidden curriculum that's involved with breaking into new industries and learning how to navigate these spaces or create spaces for yourself. And I think that's what Charli did successfully, was prep me in advance for things that I didn't even know I was going into.
After working with Lennon Prep, you will have the necessary skill set to land that job that you've always wanted, to enhance a presentation that you have to give, or you'll have the skills necessary to overcome the fear that's holding you back. Contact Lennon Prep for a free consultation where we can help you influence your audience without fear.